What's going on? This is AlTone, and this is the Jusron three-way mirror for hairstyling, and this is really, really good, and it's something that I've actually needed for a long time. Usually while I'm shaving my head, I actually have to take a mirror and hold the mirror up with one hand. Hopefully the lighting is correct behind me, and I can actually see what I'm doing while I'm cutting or trimming my hair in the back. And often it can be a little cumbersome trying to do it that way, and I think this is a fantastic way to make sure that you can see the back of your head very well. So what comes in the box, of course, is the mirror itself, the three-way mirror, and some nice little hanging brackets so you can actually hang this guy on the wall if you want to. What you have in the front is your three-way mirrors. Each one of these mirrors is about 7 by 11 inches. And that makes it nice and wide, so you have the opportunity to be able to see what you're doing very well. And you have your hangers in the back, and these hangers are actually strong enough to be able to hang this from the back of a door. My wife does her hair a lot on her own. I do, like I said, I shave my head, and sometimes I want to be able to see what I'm doing a little bit better. This guy will hang from a bathroom mirror. It is not lighted, so you will have to have a light somewhere close by in the right position so that you can actually see well what you're doing. But I mean, this is fantastic. It is well made. It is a hard plastic, and I think this is going to serve us extremely well. So I hope that this has helped you out in some way. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking this out with me. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.